welcome all. In this video, we're going to solve the fifth question of exercise 1.3, page number 21-22, chapter 1, integers. Fifth question, find the product using suitable properties. So you have to use properties that applies for each subdivision. I hope you've already seen my previous video that involves the concepts involved in exercise 1.3. If you haven't, the link is given in the description below. Please do watch it before solving this question. The first subdivision, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. If you have already guessed it, yes, it is distributive property. Which states that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So from here you can see that A is equal to minus 48 as there is a common integer that is present in both these equations. So from here you can take minus 48 as a common integer out and then solve it according to this formula. Here you will get minus 48 into minus 10, which will then give you plus 480. As negative into negative is positive. The next subdivision, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Here you are going to use the associative property. Please make it a habit to write all these properties whenever you are solving, even in your question paper and in your answer sheets. Over here it says that A into B into C. If you have three integers to be multiplied, you can multiply this integer in any order. So it can be either way. You have three ways to solve it. You can use a suitable way to solve this equation. I'm going to multiply 8 into minus 125 first because you already know it's much more easier to solve it that way. 8 into minus 125 is minus 1000 into 53, which will give you the answer of minus 53,000. That's it. The third subdivision, 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. In here you have to use the commutative property. Which states that you can multiply the equation which is given to you in any order and the product will remain the same. So here you have four integers. I'm going to multiply any two first. So I'm going to use first minus 25 into minus 4. As you already know, 25 into 4 is 100. So this gives you 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 is plus 100 into minus 10, which will give you a product of minus 15,000. Fourth subdivision, minus 41 into 102. Over here you can use the distributive property. As multiplying what minus 41 into 102 is quite a big process. So as you already know, in distributive property it's A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So you can divide 102 into 100 plus 2. So that multiplying an integer into 100 is much easier when you multiply it into 102, right? So it's 100 plus 2. Then using distributive property, distribute minus 41 over 102 over this addition sign. This will give you minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. It's much easier, right? It's 41 is 4100 plus minus 84, which will give you a final product of minus 4182. The fifth subdivision, 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Again you have to use the distributive property. The same, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Over here a is equal to minus 625. You can either use minus 625 or just 625. I'm going to use 625. So if you take 625 as a common integer out, it will give you minus 35 plus minus 65, wherein you'll get the product for this to be minus 100. So the final product is minus 62500. That is 62,500. Next subdivision. F. 7 into 50 minus 2. Again, you have to use distributive property. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C, as this is distributive property over subtraction here. So 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. What is 7 into 50? It's 350 minus 14, which gives you a product of 336. The next question, G. Minus 17 into minus 29. Multiplying these two is quite a big process. So you can use minus 30 plus 1. So that 30 into 17 and 1 into minus 17 is much more easier. So you have to again use the distributive property. Here you can distribute it as minus 17 into minus 30 plus 1. As minus 30 plus 1 is 29. This will give you minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1, which will give you a product of 493. If you want further explanation, I can give it to you. It's 510 minus 17, which is equal to 493. This is the final product. H. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Again, the property used here is distributive property. As you already know, it's A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. Over here, the common integer is 57. You can either take minus 57 or 57 as common integer. I'm going to take 57. If you take 57 out, it should be minus 1 into minus 19, which gives you a positive integer, that is 19. And here it's 57 into 1. So if you take 57 out, it should be plus 1, which gives you 57 into 20. The final product is 140. That's it for today's video. I hope you understood these questions. If you have any doubt, please leave in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.